Hey, I'm out here this morning, or this afternoon actually, working on the electric glide, rebuilding the shocks, front forks front forks on the electric glide, and Amazon showed up and brought me my EBOSSOM uh, portable air compressor 15 Pro. Now, I did buy this. I picked it out all myself. Looked at a few things. Everybody said it was a decent little compressor, so I figured I would take the chance and buy one. I want this for the bike. I'm doing a cross-country run this spring, summer. So I wanted a little compressor to check my tires, and in case I get a puncture, I can top up the tire, fill it up with air. I also wanted one for the side-by-side. We're going to be doing a little bit of running around some of the trails here this summer, I hope, the wife and I, and Tinkerbell. So I wanted to make sure I had a little compressor to blow up the tire in case we get a puncture on the tire. So I'm going to turn you around. I'll put you over here, and we'll unbox this and see what's in the box. See what's in the box here. So I got you down on a few rags here, and I was working on my shocks. So I unboxed this and I fully charged it. So in the package, of course, you get the little charge wire, usual. You get a small air hose, which is flexible, which I like. And it has the little lock on it. You get a little bag of extras, I guess, for blowing up mattresses and soccer balls or whatever. And you get a little carrying bag, a little felt carrying bag. You get an instruction booklet, 1 page of instructions, that's it. The rest of it is all different other, 2 pages. The rest of it's all other languages. So it just tells you what to do and how to set the pressures and stuff. And this is the compressor. A tiny little thing. Here's my phone. So, okay, there you go. Today's date, time. So it's a tiny little thing. Oops, I got it upside down. There you go. It's a tiny little thing. The airline goes in the top here. Tighten that down. I guess I can take the little, I'm going to keep it. So, satisfying. So we turn it on. So I guess it's got some modes up there. So we want, that's supposed to be a motorcycle. So it says 32 pounds. That's PSI. So you got to make sure you're in PSI. So my bike calls for 36 front and rear. I have 16-inch tires front and rear on my bike. So I'm going to let the air out of the tire. I got it set at 36 pounds. It's fully charged, and we're going to blow up this tire. We're going to inflate this tire, not blow it up. Okay? So I've got the little cap down here that I can take the valve out. As you can hear, the air is coming out. And we're done. Okay. Totally flat. I will put the valve, come on, I dropped it. I dropped it. So we'll put the valve little stem thing back in. And I'll put that on the floor. Well, if I can get... So we're still set at 36 PSI. We pull the little lever back. A little harder on a motorcycle with the brake there. So we clamp it on. And so we're on motorcycle. We got 36 pounds set pressure. Eh, 36. Now the hose is warm. I can definitely feel a difference in the heat, but the unit itself is cool. So that we did lose 1 bar on the battery. So now I'm going to put all my coat on. Well, actually first, we're going to get my tire gauge. So I'm going to get my tire gauge and let's see if we're close. So 36 pounds. We are right on. 36.5 or something, but yeah, okay. I'm happy with that. So let me throw my coat on. I'm not going to charge this. We're going to go and try it on the Jeep. Okay, so this front tire keeps going low on me. Take the tire off. So we got to turn it on again because it took me a minute to get out here. So we're on car. So this one is 38 pounds. So I'll put the thing on. So it tells me there's 25.5 pounds in there now. And now it's up to back up to fully charged again. It did it. Wow. That back on. Let's go inside. Ooh, it's cold out here. Okay, so you saw it here. Like I say, the line, you can feel the line's a little bit warmer than the actual unit. The top of the unit is just slightly warmer to the touch. I just turned it back on again and we're back up to fully charged again. So I don't know what's going on. It didn't use any of the charge. So it has your little port up here. I don't know what they call those for charging. And it has also has a little flashlight, so you can get in there and see where your valve is. Oh, a red blinky one. So I guess if you're on the side of the highway, put it that way, and somebody will see you. I guess that's the SOS. Yeah. So yeah. So for the money, I mean, I read reviews. People said it was pretty good for the size of it and for the cost, and I said, okay, I'll get one. So yeah, I'm going to get another one for the side-by-side. If you're interested, now that I am not sponsored, I don't know if I said that before, I am not sponsored by these guys, but when I find a good product, I like to put it out there and help other guys, bikers, off-roaders, or whatever. So that's my little review of the EBOSSOM portable air compressor. Thanks for joining me.